Welcome back, learner buddies. I am back with a brand new topic in front of you, that is plants and their systems. Today we are going to discuss about the two major systems of the plants, which are the major part of the plants and which is very important for the growth of the plant. So it is going to be a very interesting and yet knowledgeable topic. So let's deep dive into the topic. But before that, just present here with me physically and mentally. And of course, buckle up your seat and let's deep dive into the topic. First of all, tell me, just before starting this whole class, tell me one thing. Have you ever planted something in your life? Tree, plant, shrub, anything that you planted in your life? Let me know. And if you did, then what did you do to make it grow? Water, obviously presents in the sunlight, manure of fertilizers, and take care of the plant. Lots of things. If you definitely, if you ever get planted something in your life, then you know that all these things are required. So, but if you not yet, we can say that, then your responsibility is that just plant something. That is very much important. Then you will definitely understand about the care that what the plants needs the care and the love from a human being. If you never planted anything in your life, today's your task is to plant something that is for you, and it is a practical example. And let me know in the comment section after planting that what have you planted in that day. Okay, and we love to know about your plantation, definitely. Now, let's talk about today's lesson plan. That today we are going to discuss about the plant's organs, that what kind of organs plants have and what is the difference between that. Identify the two types of organ. I already mentioned that two major parts are we are going to discuss about it. Then compare and contrast about these systems which we are going to discuss in today's class. Okay, now in front of you also there are main parts of the organs of the plants. They have stems, leaves, roots. Definitely remember two things: similar cells working together from tissues in the human body as well, and also in the plants. Tissues work together to form an organ. Like in human being, it's like heart, brain, kidney, and any other organ. Of course, in the plants as well, it's like stem, roots, leaves, etc. So basically, in the plants, there are major three parts: leaves, stems, and roots. One by one, we are going to discuss all these things. Now, one game for you, that is plant have two main systems. One is R system, one is S system. Hint is that there are rhyme words. Okay, there are two systems in the plant. Of course, it is root system and shoot system. One by one, we are going to discuss about these things. So in front of you, there are in a diagram of a plant where these two systems are actually highlighted. One is a shoot system and one is a root system. Shoot system are the aerial part or the part that is present in the area which grows upward and which is actually present on the surface and actually present in the environment where we can see that. Root system is actually the system which composed of the organs that grow beneath or under the ground, and it actually if you know that grows inward, or we can say that it is actually grow opposite direction to the shoot system. So this is basically the two systems of the plants. We call them shoot system and root system. Okay, let's one by one talk it about these systems in details. First is shoot system. Major functions, like before major functions, let's understand about the systems consist of other parts. Like the shoot system consists of flower, buds, leaf, node, and stem, of course. So this is all about the shoot systems that is present in the aerial environment, which we can see definitely, and that is all about the shoot system parts. Now, what are the major functions of the shoot system? The first major function is that that is the providing structure by holding the plant upright, like straight. This is the major part of the shoot system. Second major part of the shoot system is transport the fluids like water and other materials, nutrients and other kind of materials throughout the whole plant, because it is a stem that is connected the root with the other parts of the plants. So basically it transport the fluids toward the whole parts of the plant. Third major function of the shoot system is collect the sunlight and make the food by the photosynthesis process due to the presence of the only leaves. Leaves are the major part who perform the photosynthesis process. But before just going again after this thing, just if you didn't see the video yet, photosynthesis, let's do that thing after the this class. You have to just see the video related to the photosynthesis which I already uploaded. Now next thing is that shoot system, that is grow upward. We can say that actually it is the thing that is we are going to talk about that under the gravity or against the gravity. Shoot actually that means up toward the sunlight, which allow the system to facilitate about the photosynthesis process in the leaves as well. That absorption of oxygen and sunlight happen there, only the presence of the leaves due to the, so that is all about the shoot system. And actually the major part is that shoot system grows upward, not the downward. It is actually grows upward, that is against the gravity. Now the second part is that root system. In the root system, what are the major part? It is root cap, root hairs, root, tap roots and other things obviously that is under, or we can say that beneath the soil. So that is all about the part of the root system. What are the major functions of the root system? There are two major functions which the root system possess. One is absorbing the water and mineral. We know that we actually pour the water on the surface of the earth where the plant is present. So the root system major function is that absorb all the water and minerals, and definitely then afterward with the help of the shoot system it transport to the other part of the plant. Second thing is that store the food, that is also very important. Third is anchoring and support the plant, because it is present under the soil, so it gives the support to for the tree or a plant to stay upright. That is one of the again major function of the root system. Next thing is that how roots grow. Root grow downward. That is very important for you to understand about it. The tip or the root cap protects the root. Obviously, root cap's main function is to protect the root. It also helps the root sense gravity. It knows that thing. Actually, root grows under the influence of the gravity. That means grow downward. So new cells are continually replenished by the root kind of a thing. Thicker roots absorb the nutrients and water and store the fluids and food obviously. So that is all about the root system. And now just it is all about, we have studied everything about major points related to the shoot system and the root system. And let's wrap up this whole thing. Plants part are basically are called organs, like similarly we have other working together they make an two systems, and majorly plants have two systems. One is shoot system, another is root system. Shoot system is actually providing structure and transport the food and fluid materials, and also it provides and produce the food through the photosynthesis process by the leaves. Second system is a root system, whose major work is to grow downward because of the gravity, absorb the water and the other nutrient materials, store the food, and obviously give the strength to the plants to stay upright. So this is all about the shoot system and the root system that we have studied today. I hope you learned new things related to the plant and their parts and their major two systems, that is root and shoot system. That is all for the day. I hope you get a very new knowledge related to the biology processes. And I know that is for the day. And let's wrap up this whole thing. I hope you enjoy the session. Definitely, we will meet soon with a brand new topic with the beautiful slides and definitely with a day to day life examples. Up to that point, I can say that take care and definitely happy learning. Bye, goodbye, guys.